Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do flying triangle in UFC 6. So before performing the move, we need to make sure that the fighter we are using has the flying triangle move available in his moves. And to check that, firstly pause your game, then go to view moves option. After that we need to go to submissions. For that press L2 or LT, and once you reach submissions, scroll down here until you find triangles. Now go to triangle details. Under it, if your fighter has flying triangle available, it should be listed here. So I have these flying triangles available, and to perform it I need to press L2 plus R1 plus triangle on my PlayStation controller. If you're on Xbox, then the Xbox keys will be shown here. After confirming the move, we need to go back into our game and perform the flying triangle. First, get your opponent into the clinch position. For that, hold down square and cross together on PlayStation, or X and A together on Xbox. Once you have the opponent in clinch position, then we need to press R1 plus triangle on PlayStation or RB plus Y on Xbox. Now once you have your opponent in this kind of position, then we need to press the flying triangle key combination, which was L2 plus R1 plus triangle on PlayStation or LT plus RB plus Y on Xbox, and then your fighter will perform the flying triangle. Now just get your opponent into the triangle submission. So this is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.